Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a Chicago vlog. I thought it would be fun if we go explore a little bit of Chicago. Let's talk about birthday bags because my birthday is next month. And at the end, I will review a little thing from Fendi. Okay, let's get going. So let's do a quick outfit of the day. I have my Fendi hoops, which you can see here. And then this is a Veronica beard top. I love the print on this. It's a great summer colors. And then I paired it with these joggers from Splendid. It's like an olive green color. And of course I have my Fendi Calibri pumps. I think these pumps are so comfortable. They really are chic, but comfortable. And then I have my bag of the day, which is my Fendi baguette. I've been really loving more of these casual bags, and pretty much it's a lot of Fendi going on today, but I think that's a great look. This lip color that I'm wearing, it's Rose Epice from the Hermes number 21, and it's the satin formula. I love it because I think it's that perfect rose color that you can wear to the office. I love wearing it pretty much all day.
Sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
So I thought we could start with a quick little reveal before we talk about my birthday bag. So this is something I picked up from my essay, and I thought it was super cute. Cute little box. Some of you may already know. This beautiful Fendi wrappy. I love the beige and lavender. And this was about, I want to say $230. I'll use this on my baguette and hopefully another Fendi bag. These two colors I'm a little bit obsessed with lately. So to talk about my birthday bag, my birthday is coming up. It'll be July 20th. And of course, I would love to have a birthday bag. My husband will be picking one of these bags and surprising me for my birthday unboxing, and I'll be revealing it with you guys then too. So this year I decided to finally purchase a peekaboo for my birthday. If you've been watching my channel since the beginning, you know I've been talking about the peekaboo for many, many years. So I'm excited to finally find the perfect one for me. And I'll be honest, this probably won't be the only peekaboo, but it's great to finally get one back in the collection where it belongs. And I'm going to go over my top 3 picks. Honey beige peekaboo. This is in the mini peekaboo size. It's got the calf skin. I've tried this on so many different times. This bag in particular, they do have the honey beige all year round, so if I decide to not get it for my birthday, then they most likely will have it later in the year. Since I do have this exact shade in the baguette, I would be open to getting a different peekaboo color. Now the other two styles have to do with the new release coming out on June 15th. My boutique did get these styles early for pre-sale, so I was able to see a lot of these in person, and I actually did purchase one of them with the sequin mini baguette that you saw in my earlier video. Now the second one is also a mini peekaboo, but this is in the lilac with the gold hardware. I love gold hardware on a handbag, and the fact that this combination, I think the pairing looks so good together. I love that Napa leather. It's so soft, that lambskin. It's so beautiful. As you recall, I used to have a burgundy in this, and I do miss it. And I think this is such a cute size, and it would look good with my wrappy. The other one is the ICU. What I love about this one, I love structured handbags. I think so many of you guys know that about my handbag collection. I love that tortoise detailing. It's total neutral vibes with that tortoise detailing, makes it so unique and special. And then you pair it with the gold, and I think it would look so cute with the wrappy on the handle. I love that the leather is almost like more pink than what I see with my Fendi sequin baguette. I'll be honest, I am most likely eyeing one of the two lilac peekaboos because it is seasonal. Once it's gone, it's gone. The mini peekaboo in that honey beige I could get later on in the season, or maybe they might come out with a different beige shade, and I'm kind of more leaning toward that because I do like a little bit of variety, believe it or not, in my beige shades. I really don't like to repeat my shades aside from that Chanel Caramel of 21P. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's shopping vlog, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.